So in the second part of seventh module, we have looked at how to analyze the static code of an application using SonarQube. This analysis can detect and prevent code syntax problems, vulnerabilities in the code, and also indicate the code coverage provided by unit tests. Then we detail the use of SonarLint, which allows developers to check their code in real time as they write their code. So finally, we looked at the configuration of SonarQube and its integration into a continuous integration process in a project. So to ensure the continuous analysis that will be triggered at each code commit of a team member. So in the next module, in the next part of the seventh module, we will look at some security practices by performing security tests with the JED attack proxy, JAP tool, executing performance tests with Postman, and launching load tests with AWS. Those are the one of the examples which can be combined with JAP. However, I'll see you in performing security tests with JAP.